Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another juicy episode of Drama League. I'm your host, Papa Stanimus. Today, we are going to talk about Miss Dirty Bird once again because she is back. A few weeks ago, I made a video about Miss Dirty Bird exposing her for lying about having brain cancer for years. In the Tryhouse Discord, she made up elaborate stories about having brain cancer, I think lung cancer, all different kinds of ailments on her body, and would have these elaborate stories explaining all the treatments that she's going through and all the hard times. She suckered Tryhouse and all these people, and Tryhouse is like a big Rocket League streamer if you don't know much about Rocket League. So with this guy well connected in the Rocket League community, her story got out to everybody, and then she got all this pity and views and subscribers on Twitch. That's when I made a video about the situation because I found a bunch of evidence from this guy Sworn RL that had been putting together a case against her for quite some time. I posted it on Twitter, which made its way to the Livestream Fails subreddit, and it blew up from there, and everybody heard about Miss Dirty Bird and her brain cancer lies. The story blew up even bigger because then she released this apology video that was word for word from a movie script, and people caught on to that, which was super silly.
I don't know why people that don't even know me hate me. Or maybe I do. Because now I hate me too.
So then she was like, oh, you guys caught me with that. So here's a new apology, which she was kind of smiling the whole time. If you go back and watch that apology, you could see that she was like having the time of her life. She's like, yes, I'm doing an apology video, like as if she's made it. Well, now she's back. She said she was going to get off the internet for months to years, and only 3 weeks later, she is back, and she is streaming for this place called Sips HQ. Never heard of them. Dog shit place from what I looked at. The reason why I'm saying they're dog shit and flaming these guys is because they decided to work with somebody that lies about having cancer.
But I'm super excited to be able to work with Slibs, as I am sure Miss Dirty Bird is as well.
I'm incredibly excited. I'm really excited to be working with you too, though.
Aw, thank you so much. Do you want to tell the class about yourself a little bit? I stole the mic there
class?
for a second.
Yeah, I guess. Hi, I'm Miss Dirty Bird. Everybody knows me, I guess, now. But anyways, I'm a content creator. I am really excited that I got this opportunity to be hosting this with Tenerique and also just be working with Slips.
I don't know if these guys are just stupid or maybe they're trying to get people like me to talk about them over this. I'm not sure, but at the end of the day, it's a bad damn play. In a statement from Miss Dirty Bird, she says, I have opened up my account again and I want to apologize for lying to the Rocket League community and hurting you guys. I know that what I did was wrong and I hope you take the time to read this. Then she has this huge apology thing that she typed up, and at this point, I personally have refused to read it, but I will link it to you guys in the description if you really want to look at it. Nothing that comes out of this person's mouth or any statement they release is to be trusted ever. If you watch my original video on this subject, you will see why. I'll put a link up there somewhere. Slips HQ tweeted, only a few hours before the first unscripted show of the new season, we're excited to unveil yet another recruit. Say hello to our new season 2 host, Miss Dirty Bird. Check out our feed later, blah, 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 blah. And then the comments start rolling in. Total ratio. This is a big yikes for me. Must have been living under a rock the last 2 months or so. I won't be watching this liar on your show. Good luck. Have you guys been on Twitter the last month or so? I'm guessing not, because if you were, you would know this is possibly the worst recruit you could do if you want to look reputable. This just pisses me off because I used to be a big part of the Rocket League community myself in the tournament scene, and I've since left that scene and gone on to new things like what we're doing here, but I still know all the people from that scene, and it pisses me off that they picked this person who lies about having cancer and is totally irrefutably exposed and even admitted to it. It's all captured in 4 motherfucking K, and they picked her over all these other amazing Rocket League creators that would love to have a chance to cast some tournaments. Number one, Miss Dirty Bird shouldn't even be allowed to be on Twitch at all because they ban people who lie about ailments, so I don't know why this hasn't gotten their attention. I hope that someone sends this to Twitch because they need to look into Miss Dirty Bird. She lied about having brain cancer. They banned the guy that they thought lied about being in a wheelchair. Personally, I tend to believe that particular situation. I believe that guy. Anyways, this person, if Zillion OP or AK It's Bluish gets banned, then why aren't they banning Miss Dirty Bird? Why does Tryhouse, the person that like knew about all this stuff, and didn't say anything for months because she promised she would stop lying about having brain cancer, apologizing for her. I don't understand Twitch, I don't understand Slips HQ, and I don't understand Tryhouse all wanting to be involved with this person. This was more of a rant than a Drama League video, but holy shit, this person is back, and I hope that people start making the right decisions here because this is just absolutely disgusting. Again, if you want to get the full details of this situation, you can find it. It's my last episode of Drama League. I'll link it down somewhere. And anyways, guys, I love you. I'll see you in the next one.